Here is the state equation model for a sailboat, a simple sailboat. So here you have x and y, which correspond to the position, theta, which corresponds to the heading. Here it is the speed with respect to the water, not the actual speed. Omega is a rotation speed. A and C correspond to the wind that are assumed to be constant in this state equation. Here it is the force on the sail, here the force on the rudder, and here it is a condition to see if the sail is tight or not. So now what I will do, I will illustrate first with a Qt program. So first, for the simulation, I need a timer, and so it is a timer, and I connect the timer with a slot which corresponds to the clock of the sailboat. So what is a clock? The clock. So at each time the timer. So the timer calls clock, and the robot, which corresponds to the sailboat, is clocked also. So clock means an integration using an Euler method. So let me show that. First, for the Euler method, I need the state equation, which corresponds to what has been shown here. So this equation corresponds to this program. So at each clock, I integrate with dt that appears here, a small time, sampling time, and these equations corresponds to the state equation. The coefficients that are involved here, such as alpha g, alpha v, and so on, are here also. So at the initialization, I have some parameters that are initialized, and also I have the initial state which is here. So now let me run this program. So it is compiling, and we'll see it now. So here you have the sailboat. Let me start. So as you can see now, the robot is moving. So I stop it sometimes. Just for illustration, I can move here, and here you have the sailboat. I move here the rudder, as you can see, and here I move the sail. So let me put the rudder like this, and the wind comes from this direction, so like this. So it is not possible to see how is the wind, but it is like this. So let me start. As I put my rudder like this, as you can guess, what will appear is this. Up. Sorry. When I click, it comes back to the center. So now, of course, I continue. And if I change my, for instance, like this, and I will try to go straight on, so I move my rudder like this, then I will be able to go straight on. Whoops, sorry, whoop, up, bad luck. I will now try to go straight on. I will put better my sail like this. And that's all.